Welcome back. I'm Maria, and today on Langmitra, we're unlocking something powerful, regular verb conjugation in the present tense. Once you learn this pattern, you can use it with hundreds of verbs.
Hi Maria, I'm Deventra. I love patterns. Please tell me German is predictable here.
It really is. Today, we'll do 3 things. Learn the standard endings, practice at least 6 useful regular verbs for all pronouns, and then build real sentences for travel, hobbies, and plans. Plus, you'll ask and answer a few questions using Gehen, to go, Machen, to do, make, and Kaufen, to buy.
Nice. I remember we used modal verbs last time, like asking politely. Today is more like building the auction core.
Exactly. First, the regular verb system in the present tense. Step 1. Find the verb stem. In German, the infinitive usually ends in en, like spielen, to play. You remove en and you get the stem, spiel.
So the stem is what stays and we just add endings.
Yes, the standard endings are ich, du, st, sie, t, wir, an, ihr, te, sie, an.
That's the full set. E-S-T-T-A-N-T-A-N.
Perfect. Now let's practice with 6 regular verbs you'll actually use. Our verbs are machen, to do, make, kaufen, to buy, spielen, to play, lernen, to learn, arbeiten, to work, and reisen, to travel.
Great list.
Verb 1, machen. Stem is mach. Ich mache, I do, make, du machst, you do, make, sie, es macht, he, she, it does, makes, wir machen, we do, make, ihr macht, you all do, make, sie machen, they, you, formal, do, make.
Ich mache, du machst. Okay.
Verb 2, kaufen. Stem, kauf. Ich kaufe, du kaufst, sie, es kauft, wir kaufen, ihr kauft, sie kaufen.
I notice ihr and both end with te.
Exactly. Third verb, spielen. Stem, spiel. Ich spiele, du spielst, sie, es spielt, wir spielen, ihr spielt, sie spielen.
Sounds smooth. Fourth?
Lernen. Stem, learn. Ich lerne, du lernst, lernt, wir lernen, ihr lernt, sie lernen.
So far it's consistent.
Fifth, arbeiten, to work. Stem, arbeit. Same endings. Ich arbeite, du arbeitest, arbeitet, wir arbeiten, ihr arbeitet, sie arbeiten.
Wait, arbeitest has an extra E sound in the middle.
Great ear. Some stems ending in te or de often add an extra E before st and te to make it pronounceable. Arbeitest, arbeitet. But the pattern is still the same endings. German just inserts a helper vowel.
Good to know, but not too scary.
Sixth, reisen, to travel. Stem, reise. Ich reise, du reist, reist, wir reisen, ihr reist, sie reisen.
Wait, shouldn't it be du reist with st?
Excellent question. The ending is still st, but the stem already ends with an s sound, rise. So you'll see it written as du reist, pronounced like one smooth st sound. Same idea with ihr reist.
Okay, ending is there, spelling just simplifies.
Exactly. Now let's build 12 practical sentences. I'll say the German, then the English. Listen for the conjugated verb. 1. Ich kaufe ein Ticket. I buy a ticket. 2. Du lernst Deutsch. You learn German. 3. Arbeitet heute. He works today. 4. Wir reisen morgen. We travel tomorrow. 5. Ihr spielt Karten. You all play cards. 6. Sie machen Fotos. They take photos. Literally, make photos.
Nice travel vibe.
7. Ich mache Sport. I do sports. I work out. 8. Du kaufst Wasser. You buy water. 9. Sie lernen im Hotel. They learn in the hotel. 10. Wir arbeiten am Laptop. We work on the laptop. 11. Ihr reisen mit dem Zug. You all travel by train. 12. Ich spiele Musik. I play music.
I like that I can swap the subject and keep the verb ending.
Exactly. This is the engine of German sentences. Now let's train your independence. How to conjugate a new regular verb you haven't memorized.
Yes, give me a new one.
Let's take tanzen, to dance. What's the stem?
Remove en, stem is tanz.
Great. Now conjugate. Ich tanze. Correct. Du tanzt. Almost. Because the stem ends with z, which already contains a ts sound, German usually drops the extra s in the st, so it becomes du tanzt.
So it's still the do form, but spelled tanzt.
Exactly. And sie es, tanzt. Wir tanzen, Ihr tanzt, Sie tanzen.
Cool. Pattern plus small spelling rules.
Now, Objective 4. Ask and answer 4 simple questions about activities and destinations using gehen, machen, and kaufen. Note, gehen is not a regular verb, but it's so essential for travel that we'll use it for questions today. We'll focus on using it in simple, useful ways.
I'm ready.
Question 1 with gehen. Wohin gehst du? Where are you going?
Answer, ich gehe zum Hotel. I'm going to the hotel.
Excellent. New preposition there. Zum is a common way to say to the for masculine neuter places. Question 2 with gehen. Gehst du zum Bahnhof? Are you going to the train station?
Ja, ich gehe zum Bahnhof. Yes, I'm going to the train station.
Great. Question 3 with machen. Was machst du heute? What are you doing today?
Ich mache Sport. I'm working out.
Perfect. Question 4 with kaufen. Kaufst du Souvenirs? Are you buying souvenirs?
Ja, ich kaufe Souvenirs.
Yes, I buy souvenirs. Nice. Now a mini dialogue, like you're traveling with a friend. I'll start. Was machst du morgen? What are you doing tomorrow?
Ich reise. I'm traveling.
Good, but let's make it more specific with a destination. Try Ich reise nach Berlin, but let's avoid repeating locations and keep it universal. Say Ich reise nach Canada, to Canada, or nach Italien, to Italy. Choose one.
Ich reise nach Italien. I'm traveling to Italy.
Great. Next line. Kaufst du ein Ticket? Are you buying a ticket?
Ja, ich kaufe ein Ticket. Yes, I'm buying a ticket.
Excellent. Last line. Wohin gehst du jetzt? Where are you going now?
Ich gehe zu Flughafen. I'm going to the airport.
Fantastic. Very real world.
I feel like I can actually generate verbs now. If I learn a new verb, I just find the stem and add endings.
That's the big win. And here's a practical tip. Pick one new regular verb per day, like planen, to plan, or packen, to pack, and conjugate it quickly with the 6 pronouns. Even better, practice with a friend or family member. You ask, was machst du heute? And they answer with one verb.
That sounds doable. Also, it's kind of fun.
Exactly. Keep your practice small but consistent. You're building a toolkit, not memorizing a dictionary.
Thanks, Maria. I'm going to try making my own sentences after this.
Wonderful. And if you're learning with the Langmeter community, share 2 sentences you created and ask someone to reply with 2 more. See you next time. Keep going, keep building, and enjoy the progress you can actually feel.
Before we recap, one quick ask. What worked for you in this lesson? What felt hard? And what topic should we teach next? Drop it in the comments. Your feedback shapes what we build next.
One language sets you in a corridor for life. Learn language with podcast. Subscribe.